T-minus
seconds.
1 minute. 1
Engine
minute and
start
counting
box
for
go.
the launch of the Delta IV with GOES P.
T-minus 50 seconds. T-minus 45 seconds.
Launch enable, GE, main power off.
Main power off.
Second stage LH2 secure at flight level.
Launch
T-minus
computers now
30
controlling,
seconds.
ready to
Read
hand
board.
off to the
T-minus 25 seconds.
Flight lock in. Confirm TVC blowdown.
T-minus 15 seconds.
T-minus 15. Igniters armed. T-minus 10, 9, 8. Go for main engine start. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And liftoff of the Delta IV rocket with GOES P, completing a new weather satellite constellation, growing reliability for the weather forecaster.
Coming up 30 seconds. Mark, 30 seconds into the flight. Altitude now 2 nautical miles. Velocity 1,834 feet per second. Downrange about a half a mile. Chamber pressure is beginning to decline. 47 seconds in. Now passing Mach 1. Vehicle now going transonic. Passing 57 seconds. Standing by for max Q. 1 minute, 1 second into the flight. Maximum dynamic pressure in the vehicle. Chamber pressure continuing to hold good in the main engine. Good engine control. Coming up 1 minute, 15 seconds. Mark. System still continuing to look good. Now passing 1 minute, 20 seconds. Standing by for solid rocket motor burnout at about 10 seconds from now. Solid motor chamber pressure is beginning to drop as we'd expect. Have burnout standing by for SEP. And we have separation. Both solid motors have separated successfully from the vehicle. 1 minute, 49 seconds into the flight. Still looking good. Altitude now 22.6 nautical miles. Velocity 5,301 feet per second. Downrange distance 24.2 nautical miles. Chamber pressure continuing to look good in the main engine. Very smooth ride. Coming up on 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Good engine control in the first stage. About 1 minute remains in full thrust mode. About 1 minute from now, we'll toggle down to the partial thrust level. Coming up on 2 minutes, 40 seconds in. Altitude now 38 nautical miles. Velocity 8,300 feet per second. Downrange distance 62.7 nautical miles. Main engine control continues to look good. At 2 minutes, 55 seconds in. About 1/2 minute remains on the full thrust mode. Three minutes, 10 seconds in. Main engine chamber pressure continuing to hold rock solid. Good engine control in the first stage. Coming up 3 minutes, 20 seconds. Standing by to go to the partial thrust mode in about 10 seconds. You have partial thrust command. Now in the partial thrust mode, good chamber pressure in the partial thrust mode. We'll remain in this mode for the remainder of first stage flight, about 45 seconds. Vehicle control continues to be very good. 3 minutes, 55 seconds into the flight, altitude 66.9 nautical miles, velocity 15,316 feet per second, downrange distance 195 nautical miles. Now passing 4 minutes, about 15 seconds now, remaining in main engine flight. Standing by for MECO. And we have MECO.